Hello everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video we are going to provide a walkthrough of this automation, that is Word to Excel automation. So here in this video we have a Word file and one Excel file. This is the Excel file, and here in this Word file we have many text boxes. So these all are the text boxes. These all are text fields here. Details of defendant, this one, name, defendant name, address, date of birth, and sex. So these all are the text boxes which are, dynamically gets changed once we click on this button, the drop down button. That is, if we choose this one, then as we can see, then now the name gets changed automatically. So these all are the names and the information we have already filled over here in the Excel file. And we've used coding and automation in the Word file that will change the text fields presented here in this Word field automatically through the Word automation. So let me show you this Excel file. So here, first one is the date, then the place, defendant address, then the sex, and then the DOB, then the description. So basically, I'm a freelancer and I got a project where we have some custom requirements. Basically, this document, we have a lot of what we can say service copy here. We have a lot of information which needs to be copied and pasted here in this document. So it's much more difficult to provide and copy paste each and every text field over here. So we used the automation part here, and this automation part. So as we can see, this is the very large documentation, the Word file. So basically, this is a code file, and which has a lot of information. We can see here is a drop down. They all are. Will be taking from this sheet, and now again this is the time. Then this is the date. This is the place. Again, place too. So, and we have used some formulas here also. Because we have a lot of information to be captured in the Word document, and each one is dynamic. So for a dummy data, we have kept these fields as some text change. So here for the file number 1, we have different date. Then on the file number 2, we have different date, and the place one and the defendant name is also. So if I change to the file number 1 to, if we are keeping the file name 1, we have the date as 21 of August 2023, and then the place, the time, the name, address, and the mail, and then again the DOP. Now I'm changing this one to 2. As we can see, this is the magic. The date is already changed. The time also changed. The place and the name, defendant now name is now Stephanie Dunn. Then the place, address, sex, and the DOB. So all this information, if I put over here, let's say, let's suppose I just change this information to somehow name 3. Let's look upon this one again. If I choose 1 and then 2, okay, sorry, we just need to close this one. We need to save this document, then this will get changed. Yeah, as we can see, this name is again changed. So all this information gets changed upon what we fill in the Excel file. So all this information is an automated Excel to Word documentation automation. So if you need some customization over here, I'm happy to serve this one. As I already told you, I'm a freelancer, and this was a customized project that I have been received over freelancer.com. So um, you can just let me know if you require some help or customizations, or you have some specific document format that you need to have some document automation in that with the Excel. So you just need to fill all the information pre-filled Excel, and you have to present it over here, and one by one you need to take a printout of here. Then this video would be a good for you, and I would be a good person to help you over this. So thank you, and I will be providing my description details um, for this automation. If you think if you think, you can just hire me and we can discuss upon the project and cost. So thank you. Thank you. Have a good day, and bye bye. Take care.